Oh god. Okay, see, this we can do the Hidari Migi. Hidari Migi. Hidari. How's this for memories? What do we do with this? Your Oshi's waiting in the closet tonight. You're ready to push it down. You fry. Trick or treat, but now we're all out of candy. I don't forget the rest of the words. Please understand me. Okay. This is actually pretty cool. I didn't realize I put this in. She's doing a dance. Can you do this dance with the other model? What dance? What dance? This dance? This is the... Please pull over. I can't hold it any longer. I'm going to go hang my tushy over the road barrier. Hello. How far down can I go? Ah! This is also the Goomba Roomba!